phases of the moon. Throughout the history of mankind, we have gazed up in the sky and we have seen the moon. It has been the subject of many romantic poems, as well as a catalyst for terrific stories featuring horrific transformations due to its influence. It has even been blamed for people's wild and destructive behavior, giving birth to the name lunatic. Though we mostly think of the moon as a nocturnal body that hides during the day, it can infrequently be caught showing its face during the daylight hours. Aside from marching its way across the sky, it also changes in other ways. You have probably noticed that, at times, the moon appears to be just a sliver, yet other times it is full, and even other times disappearing completely. Do you know why? If not, you're in good company. Ancient astronomers had some pretty interesting ideas of what happened to the moon. Early people told stories to explain these changes. The Mayans of Central America had a legend that the moon is an old man lying sideways in the sky.
As he turns in his slumber, more of his large belly becomes visible each night until it is full and round. Then the jaguar jumps high into the sky and begins taking bites of his belly each night, causing his belly to become smaller and smaller until the jaguar leaves. And then the man disappears for 3 nights to eat and fill his belly, and the cycle begins again. To answer that question, we have to ask ourselves, how is the moon lit up or illuminated? It turns out the moon is illuminated the same way the Earth is. Light from the sun strikes the moon's surface. This means that, just like the Earth, half the moon experiences daylight while the other half experiences night. So, the phase of the moon is determined by how much of the illuminated side we can see from Earth. The phase we see from Earth changes based on where the moon is in its revolution around the Earth. It takes roughly a month for the moon to complete its trip. The trip is divided into 8 segments that occur in a regular pattern, changing about every 3 days. You can start anywhere in the cycle. I prefer to start with the new moon. The new moon is where the Earth and the moon are lined up with the sun. The moon is between the Earth and the sun, so we cannot see the illuminated side, and it appears black. It goes from there towards the waxing crescent, the first quarter, waxing gibbous, until it is fully lit. We can see the entire illuminated side. And then it starts getting darker towards the waning gibbous. The last quarter, followed by the waning crescent, to once again be dark.